Good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. So, in this morning's reports, we are up to 913,000 acres burned. Still at 248 fires, and 15 of them are staffed with about 1,200 people assigned to the various fires. As for Mount Spur, they're calling it low-level unrest, which in layman's terms means there's basically nothing happening outside of some itty-bitty little earthquakes. Weather's been pretty clear the past couple of days, so they did do a webcam and did do some satellite imagery scans and whatnot, and found zero changes. Nothing is going on outside of the little earthquakes happening every now and then. There has been nothing more really stated about Mount Iliamna, so like I said, the earthquake belt there was considered to be glacial movement. Not a whole lot going on. Things are looking good towards us going through the Whittier Tunnel tomorrow afternoon after hubby's doctor's appointment. So we will see about possibly doing a live. If not, I promise I will record it for you guys, although I've been told it is not a whole lot to record. So, I don't know. Never done it. This will be my first time. Alrighty. Well, this about wraps it up for me for now. Oh, right. I have been reading about the heat advisories going on down there. You guys be safe. Drink lots of water. Don't go outside during the heat of the day if you absolutely do not have to. That is like the worst time to do it. And depending on where you are, like I'm from Texas originally, and down there the heat of the day is like 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon, and the temp don't start coming down until sometimes 6-7. So yeah, I know all about that kind of heat. I do not miss that kind of heat. We get close enough feeling wise, like it's in the 60s outside right now, but because the sun's out, and I will show y'all, there's that big gorgeous beautiful sun. We got some clouds, but not a whole lot. It's mostly clear, and I am loving it. We had a little short morning shower. Was literally just enough to get the ground wet, but other than that, yeah. But yeah, even though it's technically in the 60s outside, like I'm in a tank top right now, and I'm still getting kind of hot because I got the sun beating down on me. Oof. Anywho, so yeah, drink lots of water, guys. Stay inside if at all possible. Do not go out during the heat of the day if you absolutely do not need to. I will catch you guys on the next one because I'm gonna jam out to some music.